Hello world, it's Grant with GFam coming at you with another DIY. So today we will be doing a recoat on the roof of our trailer. And what that does is just helps protect the roof to keep it from leaking or the rubber top from splitting or anything like that. And it's pretty cut and dry. So you clean it first, and we bought a special cleaner, and then you silicone caulk around any of the elements up top, like your vents or your stacks for your sink, and around your air conditioner. And then you go ahead and apply the recoat. And so it's pretty simple, but nevertheless I thought I'd make a video just to show you guys how easy it is to protect the top of your trailer and to just be able to give your roof some longevity. So as you can see here, we have the 2-in-1 products. You have part 1, which is a cleaner, and it is specifically for rubber rooftops, and you apply this by spraying on a coat and then letting it sit for 15 minutes, and then you go ahead and let it dry, let the cleaner dry off the roof, and then you go ahead and caulk everything that you would like to caulk, and then you apply the EPDM rubber roofing coating, and that's a part 2 application. And so as you can see here, the things you will need are a roller tray, a roller, a tube of caulk, and if you would like, maybe a rod for the roller, so that way you don't have to bend over as much. Alright, so I went ahead about 2 days ago and cleaned the top of this, and then the weather didn't permit for me to do the second part, which was the recoating. But nevertheless, today we are going to be doing the rest of the project, and I just wanted to bring you guys along. So let's jump into it. Well, there you have it guys, another DIY in the bag. I hope this video was informative and helpful. I appreciate you guys joining me on this project, and if you're still here by the end of it, I genuinely appreciate your support. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. And until next time guys, take care.